my YouTube channel. Today's video is an house update. So this is another house update video just to keep you guys knowing what we've done to the house. We've done quite a bit more to the house. So if you want to see what we have done or updated to the house, then please keep watching. First things first, before we get into this video, I just want to quickly apologise for all my videos being up late or missing times or missing days. It's due to work and my situation. As you know, the UK is still in lockdown. My job, well, I'm not going to say too much because it's my personal life and it's my job, so I'm not going to say too much on the internet. But put it this way, where we've had 3 weeks off for furlough, then we all came back for 4 weeks, and now everyone apart from me and 13 others are on furlough. We're still at work, but our times have changed for 3 weeks. They are 7 till 3 for 3 weeks, so I do apologise for the missed days for videos and missed times and everything. So that is the reason why that I've been missing a couple of days of videos, is because I've been having to try and get content done, obviously work as well, and trying to put content up and ready for you guys. It is just a bit manic at the moment, but please beware, I'm still doing videos for you guys and I'm still uploading. So yeah, that is just a little clarification of what is going on and why I'm missing a few days on my videos. So the last update video you guys saw was all the doorknobs were changed, all the light switches was done, the curtains were up. What else was there? You guys saw that we had a new kitchen roll holder and cup holder. Well, we have done so much to this house. The upstairs, I'm not going to show you because nothing has been completely changed up. The bedroom ain't done yet. The spare bedroom ain't got no furniture in there at the moment. Beauty room is still 90% finished. Still got to get the wardrobe, get some Desenio prints, some other little bits as well. But it's mainly downstairs, which I'm about to show you guys. So please, please, please stay tuned to the rest of this video to see what we have done. Everything will be listed in the description box below. So without further ado, let's show you of what we've done to the house. Guys, so this is our living room, which I will show you in a second properly. But the last time you saw it, we had a L-shaped sofa. We had the curtains up, obviously, because you saw that in the last house updates, and everything else. So now the L-shaped sofa has gone, and we've got this beautiful, I'll stand back a bit more, this beautiful Clara 3-seater sofa, dark grey velvet, from Furniture 123. I will leave the description in the link in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can check it out. It's absolutely perfect. We love it so much. As you can see, we added our lovely new cushions on the sofa as well, which you saw in the last house updates as well. But yeah, this sofa is so comfortable. It is really nice. It's absolutely lovely and we love it so much. We will get another one to go over here by the window, so we're going to have 2. So we're going to have a 3-seater there and obviously this one here. But yeah, it's absolutely perfect. We love it so much. It was really hard getting it in the house. I'm telling you that now, because we've got such an old building house and we've got narrow doorways. It was so hard getting it to the house. Me and Nathan tried for about 3 or 4 hours and I had to come away because I was so frustrated. I just wanted to walk away. So in the end, we got Nathan's dad to come round and help him out with it, because it was such a pain in the backside to get that in here. But we've got it in and it looks absolutely perfect. We love it so much. We got our new cushions on there, which sets it off really nice and lovely. We're going to get some new throws to go on here, so don't worry. As for the table situation, we've got one little one here and we've got the other 2 here. We don't know whether to keep these tables or not. We might change them. We don't know yet. But they are there. They are staying there at the moment. So yeah, that sofa has been added to the living room. As you can tell, the curtains as well, which you saw in the last updates. And we have a beautiful lampshade. We got this lampshade from Next. Again, I will leave it in the description box below for you guys as well. So we've got this beautiful lampshade. These lampshades are going to be out throughout the whole house, but apart from the bathroom and the kitchen, because in the kitchen we've got the old-fashioned light and we can't, well, we can change it, but it's going to take our landlord at least a day or two to sort it out. We might as well just keep it as it is. And in the bathroom we've got spotlight. So, but yeah, we got this beautiful lampshade in here. We're going to get a new TV unit as well. Everything else in this living room is still exactly the same, but we've got this beautiful sofa. In the dining room, excuse the boxes and everything else, we are still getting deliveries coming round. Nothing's really been added or changed, apart from, I don't know if you guys can see that, a lovely lampshade up here, again from Next. We're also going to have table lamps to go in the living room and the bedroom to match the lampshades as well. So they're going to look all nice and matchy. So we're going to absolutely love them so much. The kitchen, as you can tell in the last house update, we have got adhesive on its way. It's coming at the end of June, beginning of July. It keeps changing and it's annoying. Last time you saw was we got this and this. So I'll do around here. As you can see, we've got some of the adhesive down. It looks absolutely perfect and lovely. We're waiting, like I said, we're waiting for the other two to arrive. In the fridge, we had green, no, was it green or blue? Either green or blue fridge liners, which I got from Amazon. But I saw these grey ones, and I will show you what I mean. Please excuse our fridge. But we saw these grey ones here, and I thought, oh my god, they would go so well with the house decor. Plus the fridge is black anyway. So we've put grey liners inside. I've ordered some more of these fridge containers as well, and I've got some labels coming as well, which you guys will see in the kitchen organisation video. So yeah, got some of that and got that from Amazon as well. So that will be in the description box below as well. We have these beautiful tea, sugar and coffee canisters. They are the Morphe Richards. They are so perfect and we love them so much. Again, I will leave them in the description box below for you guys to see if you can go and check them out. These lettering, these little labels here, we got them from eBay. Again, I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. But they are absolutely perfect because they don't have the names on them. So I thought I'd buy little stickers so we know what's in what. Again, I will show you more about the kitchen decor, but this is just a sneak peek of what I'm going to do throughout the whole kitchen. So obviously you've got some more of that grey lining matte thing that I got for the fridge, and I had some left over. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to add it into my kitchen cupboards as well. So it looks really, really nice and tidy. There's going to be boxes and labels. There's going to be these as well. You will see all of them in my kitchen organisation video, which should be coming very, very soon, whether I can get the rest of the kitchen stuff quickly. But yeah, this is a little sneak peek of what it's going to be like. Then moving over here, we have this beautiful 4-slice toaster, again from Morphe Richards. All of our kitchen appliances are going to be like this, so it's all going to be nice and matchy. It's beautiful. But yeah, I will leave this in the description box below as well. We've got to change the kettle, so please excuse the kettle being out of place. And then we have the bread bin as well, again from Morphe Richards. I will leave it in the description box below for you guys, and it's from Amazon. Those little things, actually, I was just about to show you. These little storage caddies. Obviously, I will show you in the kitchen organisation video. I can't actually prize one apart, but they are from Amazon. You get a set of 6. As you can see, I've still got 5 here. They come in a set of 6, and you can put them in your fridge, you can put them in your cupboards, absolutely everywhere. I've still got to find places to put these ones, but you will see in the kitchen organisation video anyway. So that is what the kitchen is looking like so far. The floor still needs to be finished. Obviously our landlord can't come round yet until coronavirus has been lifted, or the lockdown's been lifted, and so on and so on. Just quickly, in the bathroom, I just wanted to show you a couple of things. We have new bath mats. So we got this one here for the toilet, and then this one here. Again, I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. And a little box here has now got a label on. We've labelled it sprays and lotions because that's what we keep in there. Again, the lettering will be in the description box below for you guys to check them out. These boxes are from Amazon. Check out my other house update videos to get the links of them as well. So guys, that has been my house updates video. I just wanted to show you guys what we've been doing since this lockdown. Obviously there's been quite a lot of new house stuff that's been added. There is going to be a kitchen organisation video coming quite soon, so please stay tuned for that. But yeah, there's going to be loads of videos coming up. Once the house is done, the garden's done, then there will be wedding content coming up, so I cannot wait for that. I really cannot wait for all them wedding contents to show you guys. But yeah, as soon as a room is completely done, I will do a proper room tour, or an up-to-date room tour, up-to-date house tour. You guys know I will do an up-to-date version. But I just wanted to keep you guys updated of what we've been doing in the house while we've been in lockdown, what we've been buying, what we've done to the house, just to show you guys of what we have done, basically. We have still got loads of things coming through the post still. More kitchen organisation stuff, more labels. I've got some more makeup coming for a video. There's 2 makeup videos that, well, technically 3, but I'm sorting out 2 at the moment. There's 2 videos that I want to do, but I still got to buy all the bits for it. There's a full face of a makeup revolution video and a mermaid makeup look. So please stay tuned for that. I'm still trying to grab hold of all the bits that I need at the moment. But yeah, please stay tuned. So if you like these kind of videos, then don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on as well, so you are notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe. Hope you're all okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.